Yes.
Okay, please, can you read now? Question 1.
Question 1 says, simplify each of the following and leave all answers with positive exponents when necessary.
Did you hear that? Where necessary. Okay, so here we have 3 power x plus 2 minus 3 power x divided by x minus 1. So what do you think here? What do we do here?
We can
Here we are going to split. We can say
separate.
3 power 2, okay? And then dot what? Dot 3 power x, because we know that when we have the same base, we just add the powers, isn't it? So even you're gonna say 3 power x. I'm just splitting, is it okay? Then divide by, even I'm gonna say 3 power negative 1 dot 3 power x, okay? But here I just want to put here a 1 like this to make it so that it can make more sense. Are we together? So from here, if you can see that this one is a common factor, this one here.
Okay.
It's a common factor. I can take it outside the brackets. Okay. And so I can set 3 power x, okay. Brackets now, I'm gonna put 3 squared minus 1. So divided by 3 power x dot 3 power negative 1. Are we together? So now I can cancel one with this one here like this. Then what is 3 squared?
Yes.
Power 2. 9 minus 1. It was 3 power
What's
negative
3
1.
to the power of
When you
negative
take it
1?
in the numerator, it becomes a positive
No,
power.
power 2. It's 9.
So 3 power positive times 8 leaves us with
It's
what?
8.
That's our answer. Do you like it? That's our answer here. This question here. What am I gonna do here? My goodness, what should I do here now? What
It
do you
leaves
think?
us with 24. Yes.
Yeah, we are gonna actually split as well. Mara the numbers, we're gonna write them as prime numbers, like this 10, we can say 2 times 5.
I think here we can also
2 times
split.
5,
Oh
okay.
no,
Then
we can
brackets here, it is.
we
Then we're
can try
gonna
to
say
get the
power
same
2y
bases.
plus 3, okay. And then what about the 4? 2 squared, How to get 2 squared? Then power 1 minus y, okay.
Yes.
Then divided by 5 squared, okay. 5 squared, the power into what? Into 2 plus y. Is this fine with you? Okay, so now in exponents, when we have the same the exponent and we have numbers in brackets multiplying, we bring the power, we multiply the power by the same exponent. Okay, like in here, I'm gonna say 2 power 1 times 2y plus 3. So I'm gonna split, gonna be having 2. I'm gonna set 2
Yes.
to the power. You see this one here, it multiplies the 2y plus 3. So 2 to the power 2y plus 3. 2y plus 3, okay. And then dot 5, okay. Also to the power the same thing. Power 2y plus 3. Because they all came from 10. And which 10 was power 2y plus 3. That's fine with you?
Yes.
I'm going to open brackets on the exponent. I'm going to say 2 power 2. Now 2 times negative y, it gives us minus 2y, right? So divided by, now here I'm going to say again 5. Now 2 times 2 gives us a 4. 2 times y gives us a 2y, okay? Then from here now,
Yes.
we can deal with the same bases. We know when we are multiplying, we add the powers, okay? We add exponent, right? So in here, because of that, I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to say that the bases of 2, I've got this one here. As you can see, there is this one here together with this one here. So I'm going to put them together, but I'm going to add the exponents. So I'm going to have the 2y, okay, plus 3, okay, and then plus the 2, okay, minus
Yes.
2y. Then I come to the 5s now. The base 5 here, I have 2y plus 3 altogether, and then now minus, because this is now division, ne? We say minus the 4 plus 2y, ne? Minus what? Minus 4 plus 2y, minus 4 plus 2y. But when open bracket becomes a minus, is it okay? When I open the brackets here, becomes a minus. Like this one is okay. So when I'm subtracting it, it's going to be 4 minus 2y. Is it fine with you? Okay, so I'm going to say the 2y minus 2y, you get it?
Yes.
And then 3 plus a 2, it gives me 5. Next, I'm going to have here 2 for a 5, okay? Then on the sake of the here, again, the 2y minus 2y, I get a 0, okay? And then 3 minus 4, I get negative 1, so it becomes 5 power negative 1. But let's say make it positive where necessary. So here, I'm going to take it in the denominator, okay? So I'm going to say over 5 here, okay?
Yes.
So tell me, what is 2 power 5? What do you get? I think I get 32. Divided by what? By 5, ne? So this is here. That is it. Are we together? You can take a screenshot, ne? Okay. All right. Let's continue then. Next question. They say factorize each of the following completely and all. Okay. So here we have 1.2.1. Any ideas here? Any ideas here? What do you think?
Very true.
You can take out what? You can take out. Yes, that is very good. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, and so what's gonna be left in the brackets then? We are going to have, yes, I'm gonna say here equal to 5, open bracket here, x squared minus a 4 altogether, minus a 4, okay, and then I get what now finally? I get a 5 into what? Into
We can take out
what?
5 as a common factor.
X plus 2, then x minus 2.
5 as the
Now this
common
is called a
factor.
difference of 2 squares. Hello. Are we together?
We take out, it's gonna be
Yes, it
x
is.
squared.
It can't go anywhere, this one. Where do you think it can go now? No, we can't do it any further. It stops here. Are we together? So can we proceed? Now, this is the question where many learners don't like mathematics, but I pray you like it. Okay, so what do we do here? Okay, now before you get the brackets here, we are gonna say code a
That's the
cross
final
method.
answer.
We say 6 times 1. Okay, you see this constant is negative 10. Thank you. So we have negative 10 times 1. I hope you're not talking about the terrible of from church, ne? You mean the real terrible one. Okay. So here, when I cross here, okay, it says 6 times 1, I get 6, ne? Isn't it? What about negative 10 times 1? What do you get? Negative 10, right? Then negative 10 plus 6 gives what?
Okay, it's like two brackets.
Hello. But this is not negative 4. So it means I have to change my crossing. I can now say that a 3 times a 2 also gives me a 6, isn't it? What
I'm
about
terrible
a
at that
negative
method.
10? I can call it now. I can say I can say a 2. I can say 2 here times negative 5. Okay. Let us now cross and see one more time. Now, if I, by the way, because 2 times negative 5 gives us negative 10, it means that they did not change, né? Hope we are together. Even the 6 here is the same as 3 times 2. So that's how we change them. Are we together? Let me explain again. Ne? You see this 6, which is,
Negative 4.
you can write it as 3 times 2. That's what I'm saying like this now. Then the negative 10 can also be written as what? As 2 times negative 5. So the same thing go together. Is it fine now?
Yes.
So now tell me, what is 3 times negative 5? What do you get? Yes. And then plus 2 times 2. You said you get what? Negative 15, right? What about 2 times 2? It's a 4. Ne? What do you get when you add here? You get what now when you add this? You get negative. Good. Now, because of negative 11, which we are looking for here, it means we are sorted. So our answer, we just put x here
4, yes.
and x here, then that is it. So the answer becomes 3x plus 2, okay, 3x plus 2, okay, and then open brackets, so like I said it 2 and 3, plus 2, okay, open brackets now, you say 2x minus 5, then you walk
What
away
is
with
3
all your
times
marks.
negative 5?
Okay, any question?
Negative 15. 15. Yes.
There is, but I found this one a little bit easier and cheaper. Do you want to see it, the other method? You are sure? No problem.
11.
Let's get another method. But are we together here anyway? What is challenging here before we go to another method? Talk to me. But crossing is okay. You just say 3 times negative 5. Then you get negative 15. Then times 2, then you get. Then when you add and get the middle term, that is all you're looking for. Please, this method, I promise you won't hate mathematics anymore. It's gonna save you, yes. So must I show the other method, or can I skip that other method for another time?
Is there no other method?
Okay, no problem. Here. Okay, so our question, it said we have 6x what? It is 6x squared, right? 6x squared, okay. And then what? Minus 11x, okay. And then what? Minus 10. All together. So the other method says
Nothing,
we are
just
gonna
the
get
cross
pairs here.
multiplying.
You see, these are 3 terms, ne? But when we get 2 pairs, then we can take out a common factor. Okay. So what we do here, we multiply this 6 times the negative 10. Okay. And what do you get?
Okay.
What do you get here? You get negative 16, eh? Good. So from there now, you look for 2 numbers from negative 60. Okay. When you add them, you get negative 11. When you multiply them, get negative 60.
You can still show
Which
me
numbers
the
will they
other
be?
method.
Look for 2 numbers, multiply, get negative 60. Matter with 2 numbers, you get negative 10. Let us try and see. You get negative 11. Let's try and see. Thank you.
Yes.
So I'm going to say minus 15. Okay. And then positive 4, isn't it? So, meaning that where you see this 11x, I'm going to write it as what?
Yes.
Minus 15x and then plus 4x. Okay, and by so doing, I'm gonna say the 6x
Okay.
squared, okay, all together minus what? Minus 15x, ne? Is it? And then plus 4 what? Plus
Mm-hmm.
4x, okay, and then minus 10.
6 times negative.
Now we have the pairs, ne? So tell me what is
Negative
common here and
60
here now
years.
is what? It is 3 what? 3x, ne? Right? So 3x here. And what am I left with now? 2 here? 2x, ne? What's remaining here now is what? It's minus what? Minus 5, ne? Isn't it? What is common here then? It's going to be what? In this pair, what is common? It is a 2, right?
15
What
times
am I
4.
left with now? 2x minus what again? Minus a 5, isn't it? Now, I think you can say I've got a common bracket in
Yes.
it. I've got a common bracket in it. So I can say that now the common bracket must be bracketed outside. Then I'm left with what? With the 3x plus what, my friend? Plus a 2. I'm left with what? With the 3x plus
Mm-hmm.
what? Plus a 2. There you go. There you
Yes.
go. That is it. So, do you like it? Do you like this method?
It's
So now the question
yes.
comes, which method did your teacher teach you? Because I know they listen in your class. What did they teach you?
Mhm.
Then stick to the cross. It's a good method. It's for the bright people
Minus 5,
too.
yeah.
Okay. All right. Next question here. They say again factorize here. So any suggestions here?
Yes.
Suggestions? Jayla? Just a minute.
Mm.
Jayla? Okay, I'm coming just a minute. Let me just
Yes.
switch this volume of the music. We do here. What do you think we're gonna do here now? Can you talk to me, my friend? What do we do? So here, if we check properly, something is common here. It's y cubed. Let you see it. So I'm gonna yes. So
Plus
I'm gonna
2.
say a plus b. Okay, a plus b, a cubed. Okay, and then
Oh,
minus y cubed. Okay,
this one is
into a
longer and
plus b.
complicated.
Are we together? But then I have a common bracket, which is what? Which is a plus b.
The
So a
cross
plus b
multiplying method.
must be taken outside. What am I left with? X cubed, okay,
Okay.
minus. Are we together? There I come to the difference of two cubes. And now my first answer is a plus b, okay. Are we good? Now what you've noticed that always, if it comes to the
For
two cubes, the
1.4.
first sign here comes in the first bracket. So I'm gonna say x minus y. Okay. And
Okay.
then the next bracket
Yeah.
here is gonna be x squared. Okay. Do you remember it's gonna be what? X squared. And then plus xy. Okay. And
Mm,
then the last sign here,
yeah.
always check what you have here. Because this, we're gonna do this one minus here, ne? And I'm looking for a minus, so this must be a it must be a plus here. So plus y squared.
Y cubed is.
That's it. There you go. Okay.
Okay.
Now we together. Do you like it? It's a good method, ne? And it's a good question
Mm-hmm.
for the IEB people like you. You see, it's a good question, right? So can I
Yes.
proceed, please? Take a screenshot. Let's continue here. You're done, eh? Can I proceed? So next question is say, find the product this one here. So this is 1 minus 1 over 2
Oh,
into 1 minus 1 over 3, like this, ne? And 1 minus 5, 0. They say find the product.
yes.
What does product mean here? We multiply, ne? So now tell me, what is 1 minus 1 over 2?
Yes.
You get 1 over 2, isn't it? All together? Then what is 1 minus 1 over 3? Thank you. And then tell me, what is 1 minus 1 over 4? Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
And then, and the other multiplications here, okay? Then what about 1 minus 1 over 48? It's gonna be 47 over what? Yeah, thank you. And then what about 1 minus 1 over 49? It's gonna be what now?
Okay.
Thank you. It's okay.
Yes.
48
We don't.
or 49. And then lastly, what about here?
Mm.
Yes. And because we have time to
Yes.
waste, we just cancel what we don't want. We don't want this 2 with this
Okay.
2, the 3 with the 3. We don't want this 48 with the 48,
Yes.
49 and 49, okay? Which means the crossing continues. Even 4 with the neighbor. And the immediate neighbor here, down here, the cross is 47. Okay. So you're going to be having 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 out of 50. So the
Yes.
answer, which is a smart, will be 1 out of 50. That is it, my friend.
1 minus 1. Half.
Are we together?
Yes.
Tsaki? Does it make sense to you? Mm-hmm.
2/3.
Mm, it's okay. It's okay. Let me
Three
undo
over 4.
canceling. Don't worry, my friend. Let me undo the canceling, okay? Let me undo the canceling. Okay. Link, okay. Now look here. You know what? If I say 1 over
1
2
minus 1 over
times 2, I
48.
I, I cancel normal, isn't it? Look at these first two fractions. Don't I have to cancel that? Yes. What
Over
about the next
48.
two now? The 3 isn't it? Then why don't you like it? What about this one? And this one, not cancel them. And this one, you see? So now this
48 over
4
49.
must cancel. It's coming ahead. Oh, listening. Yes, please. Yes, I'm
49
coming.
over
Let me finish
15.
up. You see this 4, It's gonna comes with whatever gonna come here. Then 47 is gonna come with what just before here, down here. Like it will be 47 here. Up is gonna be 46 over 47 just before this. Even here it's gonna be now 4 over 5. You see, that's how you see it. You see the scenario, the trend. Yes. So can I please go? Are we together? So here I'm gonna be having 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 1 1 1. Okay. Again times 1. You see, times 1. See, then times 1 out of 50, which gives me 1 out of 50. Are we together finally?
Oh, do we
Thank
keep the
you.
picture?
So let's continue. Then now there comes question 2.
Mm.
Solve for each of the x in the following equation. And these guys,
Mm-mm.
they are so nice.
I
They
don't
make the first one
understand.
very easy for you.
I don't understand why
What do we
we
do
are
here?
canceling that. Oh, what?
Hello. What do we do here? What do we do here?
Okay.
Yes, how? Should I open brackets or what? Must I remind you?
Okay.
Should I remind you
Yes.
here? Hmm.
Yes. Okay.
Exactly. Because of this is 0, we use that, we
Set.
call it the zero product rule, which means either the 2x equals to
This,
0,
you see, the previous
giving us
time
x
we
as 0.
cancelled the
Okay?
47 as
Or
well.
the 3x plus what? Plus the 4 equals to 0, giving us what? Negative what? Negative over 3. There we go. That is it. What about here? What do we do?
Oh, yes.
Mhm. How do I do that here now?
Yes.
And, and what is it LCM here? It is 6.
Okay.
Yes. I pay 2 times 6
Yes.
and 6 times 6. So it is 6. So if I want to use that method of yours, I'm gonna do like this. Then I'm gonna say that this one remember it is like this, ne? It is x minus 3, okay, over a 2, ne? Isn't it? So to bring in the 6, we say times 3 here and also times the 3 here. Okay, so we can get our 6.
Hello.
Then now minus
Okay.
a 5, ne? 5x plus what? Plus 1
So
divided
for
by 6, ne?
x,
Isn't it? Equals to, ne?
in each.
So now that we have the same denominator, we cannot put it on top, ne? We can say that now it is times x,
I
3x,
think
ne? Isn't it? Then times negative 3, negative
the
9,
so
no?
for x.
Now this one is
We
a
need to
bracket
solve
now,
for
ne?
both.
So it's gonna be minus 5x here,
Can
okay?
we say
Then minus what? Minus
2x
1.
equals 0 or
Okay.
3x
Then
plus
now
4
divide
equals
by
0?
6 here,
Or do we need
okay?
to?
Equals to
Okay.
equals to what? Equals to 1. Does that make sense to you? Yes. We are together, ne? Okay, okay.
Yes.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Equals
So now from here then, like times what 3 minus 5, what do you get? So I'm going to say minus.
yes.
What about minus 1, minus 9 minus 1, what do you get?
Let's see.
Thank you. Now multiply the 6 by 1.
I
It gives
think
you
here
6, ne?
how
Isn't
I
it?
would start
So
is
now
I'll
minus 10
try
become
to make
positive, ne?
the
Say here,
denominators the same
10 plus 6 is
so that I
16,
can
ne? Right?
cancel them out.
Divided by negative 2,
That's good. You take out
negative
the
8.
LCM.
That is it.
Like you find the LCM.
Are we are we together? Yes.
The
Yes,
LCM
yes. Are
for
we together?
2 and 6 is
Okay, so next question is, what do you think?
we can use 12. 6.
And how do we do that now?
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
Yes, 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 yes. So yes, so we are gonna say so this one here in powers of gives us what? The 7 7 7 2 9 yes. Three. Thank you. Yes, thank you so much. So equals to 1 over 3,
Yes.
the power 6, isn't it? But then to put it in the numerator, the negative power,
Yes.
right? So I'm gonna say
Yes.
3 power
Mm.
2x equals what? Equals 3 power negative 6. Do you agree with me? And soon I have the same base. What do I do now? I equate what?
Create.
I equate the powers, right?
Yes.
So 2x equals to what?
Yes.
6, ne? And so our x becomes what? Thank you. There we go. Are we together? What about here now?
Equals to 1.
What do you think here?
Yeah. It's 9.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay, thank
Minus
you.
1.
So
Oh,
I'm gonna
because of
say
this
2x
minus yeah,
plus 1
goes
into
into
what?
that
Into x plus 8.
negative
Okay. Minus 20 what?
negative 2.
Equals 0, ne? And then now what? Next on the Q?
Yes. Minus
Are you
10.
stuck now? So from here now, hello, are you here or
Yes.
you're gone? I'm gonna multiply the 2x times x. Hello, what do you get? Yes, times
Yes.
x. What do you get? 2x. Tell me, what about 2x times
Negative
8? What will
8.
you get? 2x multiplied by 8. You
X
get
equals
what?
negative 8 after
16x, ne? What about 1 times x?
yes.
Plus 16, 17x. Hello. Repeat that all we are
We
together.
need to get the same bases.
Then 1 times 8 is 8. Okay.
So
Then minus
yeah.
27. Okay.
You can
Equals to 0.
find if this has
So then now
the
I have the 2x
vector
squared. Okay. What is 88 minus 27? What do you get?
and that
Thank you. Minus 19 equals to 0. Okay. So now the other method comes in here again.
oh
What
what?
is 2 times?
In powers of 3. Oh, it's 3 to the power. It's 3 to
Hmm.
the power of 6. 3 to the power of 6.
Negative 10 is 8. Okay. So for two numbers, multiply negative 38 when you get negative 7, positive
Yes.
17. Which numbers are those? Must multiply, get negative 38
Yes.
when you add,
Yes.
get positive 17. Actually, they are the same numbers. Yeah, don't you see? They're the same numbers.
Yes.
And the two. But which of the two is bigger? Is it 2 or 19? 19 is bigger, ne?
Yes.
Yes. So now the one which is bigger takes the
Negative
sign which
6.
did you hear me? So it's going to be positive 19. Yes.
Negative
And then
3.
negative 2. Such that when now I'm going to replace the 17, I'm going to say that this is 2x
Yes.
squared. Okay. All together. Then I'm going to now plus 19x.
Plus
Okay.
1
Plus 19x. Okay. Then minus 2x.
equals
You see?
27.
Yes. Add than 17. Okay. Other than what? The 17. Here I
Um,
said minus 2x
we
here.
take
Other than the
we
17,
take that
then I
27
go ahead
to the
to
other
now
side so
minus
that it can be
19,
0.
okay, equals to 0.
Negative.
After getting my two pairs now, what's common here and here is what now? It is, I think it is x, ne? Right? What am I left with now? It is 2x plus what? Plus 19, right?
Yes.
So then, about what's common here now, we can say negative 1, right?
This is
Is it
where
okay?
I stop.
Left with what? 2x plus what again? Plus 18. So there comes the common now, which is what? 2x plus what? 2x
Oh,
plus
I'm here.
19, okay. Then leave with what? X minus 1, right?
You're gonna multiply the
X
2x.
minus 1, okay. Equals to 0. So either,
Oh,
we say either what? 2x
2x
plus, this is just
squared.
0, ne? Isn't it?
Yeah.
All together? Either equals negative
2x
19, okay. Giving us x as
16x
what? Negative 19 over what? Over 2, together. All x equals to 1. There we go. That is it. That is it. So here I did not use the cross method
yes.
now. You see, but it's also now.
We are
The one for the
together.
pairs I told you about. Okay.
This is 8
Let's
positive
proceed.
8.
Take a screenshot, please. Take a screenshot. I'm scrolling down. Hello. No problem, my friend. Sharp. Okay. Let us
Negative
scroll down
19
here
minus
then.
19.
So in here now, we say what? So the
2 times 19.
inequality
Oh,
means we're going to get a set of solutions.
it's
So in
38.
here, we are going to say that what?
Yeah.
We are going to
Negative.
say the 2, okay, minus 10, yes, is gonna or equals to the x. Upper x now is negative, ne? Become positive that side. Then I'm done.
Okay.
Yes, and then the x the other side.
Oh,
I'm trying
19.
to avoid the negatives, yes.
19
So
times
here,
2.
what's
Yes.
minus 10?
Which one is? Yes.
Negative 8, ne? Isn't it? Right? So now, yes.
Oh,
What do I have here now? It says what? You
yes.
can call, yes. No, say it again. You can negative what?
Yes. That's 19x.
Or you can call it what? You
Okay.
can say that x is
Minus
less
2x.
or equals to negative 8 to the same, isn't it?
Okay.
To the same language, ne? Okay, so here I'm going to bring the number line here. I don't know it is appearing. Okay, I'm going to another one here. Yeah, this one here. Let me just make it blue, like our ink here. So number line here. They said on the number
Yes.
line, okay. Now this number line, what you do without wasting your time, just put the one you
2x.
have. So we have the negative 8, ne? You can put it here. Okay,
Yes.
negative 8. Then because of the less than, our solution must be pointing where? Must be pointing to
Negative
the
1. Oh, yeah.
to the left. Okay, so our solution, yes, less than. Okay, so must be less than. Okay, like this. Now, because of the equal sign,
X
it
plus.
means the 8 is part of the solution, and for that matter, we are going to use a closed dot.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that is it. We are done.
Equals 0.
That's our answer. We use what? A closed
Yes.
dot because of sign.
Yes.
Yes. However, if it was just like negative 80, like this, ne, without equal sign, ne, then I was like this, ne, I was just gonna put it just like this, without just with open dot.
Yeah.
Okay. So there we go with our 3 marks. That's our tricks there.
Yeah.
Okay, so take a shot. Next question says what?
Okay, so yes, please give me 2 minutes. I'm coming back.
Mhm.
Okay, thank
Mm.
you.
So yes, and why? Okay.
It says solve the
Yes. So if it
inequality and
is
represent your
you
answer on
in
a number
mathematics,
line.
so you're gonna say x minus y is 7. Yes. And then they said what? The sum. What about sum is what?
Mm.
And so x plus y
Minus 10.
should be what? Yes, 119. But because we're looking for the x and the y, we can now decide to add. When we
Oh, you
add
move
x
the
plus
10
x,
that side.
2x, ne? What minus x plus y? 0.
Other
What about
side.
here? You get
Oh,
120 what? 120, 126, eh?
2 minus
Then
10
divide by 2,
is
give us
2.
y, x plus it.
Negative.
You get 60 what? 63, ne? You get 60 what? Divide by 2.
Yes, it's negative 8.
Yes. Thank you. After getting our
Negative
x,
8.
to get our y,
Yes.
can said we're gonna say x minus y
Yeah,
equals equal to 7,
-8
but we know the x
is
now.
greater or
X now,
less or equal
so if I
to
say
x,
minus
yes,
7, I
is
must get
greater or
y.
equal to.
What do you get here? 50 watt now. You get 50 watt. 56, ne?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Then we are done. When you add them,
Mhm.
119. When you subtract them, 7. You see, that's good. So it's a good question. Okay. All right. And I know the way you guys don't want your papers to get out. You keep them so badly. Okay, so this other question is here. What do we do now here? Hmm.
To the left. Oh yeah.
We are here now. If what? So what is 2 times 3? Plus 4. So first term then. What is 4 times 2? What is 6 times 2?
Oh,
Then minus 6.
close to that.
That is it. We are
Because of the
done.
equal
Next
sign.
question is coming here.
Yes.
So here we have a formula. Now if you check here, if you look at the 10, okay, and the 8, okay, and then the 6, you have a common difference. Yes. So yeah, thank you. Minus 2. Even here minus 2. Right? So now in our formula
Next
we
question
said
says
that
the difference
this is our
between two
common difference
numbers is
minus
7.
2.
If the sum
This is our
between the
first
two
term, which is
numbers
10. But the
is
Tn that we're talking about here
119,
is given by
determine the two
Tn, okay,
numbers.
Tn equals the first term plus n minus 1 times b. This is the common difference. So here,
Between the two
what's our
numbers.
first
Can
term?
we represent the two numbers
Our first
as
term is
x
what? It is 10, right?
and
And what about our common difference?
x and 1?
Negative 2. Negative 2. So now tell me, this at
Subtraction.
negative 2 times n, what do you get? N times negative 2 minus 2n,
X
right?
minus y.
What about here? Minus 1 times minus 2, what do you get now?
Addition.
Positive 2. And then plus a 10, you get what?
X plus.
Yes, so it becomes plus 12. That's our answer, yeah? So our Tn becomes what? Our Tn equals to negative 2n plus 12. That is it. Okay, there we go. That's what they wanted,
Yes.
but they said calculate the Tn, general 10. Going further, the next question, okay?
X plus. What?
But you can say anything anyway.
Yeah.
How further
126
should I
is
go, my friend? I mean, for this one, can you go any further? That's all right. Okay,
oh,
now
these two cancelled
what
out.
do we do now here? Which one?
26. But 126 divided by 2. That's 63.
Negative 41. So what do you suggest here?
Oh yeah, x equals.
We are gonna look at our Tn and less than 41. Is that fine with you? We will know the Tn is negative 28. Okay. Plus 12.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, sorry.
Less than negative
56.
41. Makes sense to you?
56. Yes.
So now, to avoid confusions, I'm going to say 12 plus 41 is less than 2n.
Oh, I
Is that
remember this
fine with you?
question.
So what do you get when you get this? You get what?
I saw it last year. Saw it last year.
Thank you. So 5, 3, okay, then 2n. Now divide by 2. We have divide by 2, get what here? 21. 20 what? 20. We're dividing by 2. What do you get?
3.1.
Yes, press SD. No,
It
don't
says
have
3x plus 4,
20.
4x,
Okay, thank
and
you.
6x minus
20.
6 are
Say
the first
26, ne?
three
Comma
terms of
5,
a
ne?
linear
Now,
number
26,
pattern.
comma 5 is less than n. Or you can say n
Oh,
bigger
if
than
x equals 2, write
25,
down
ne?
the first three
Now
terms.
tell me, what number comes after 26, comma 5?
6,
That's the answer, you said it. So our n must be 27. Because the question said, which term
8,
would be the first one to be less than negative 41? Can you try it
12,
and you see here? Let's try it and see. Ne? You see this Tn here, this
6.
one, right? So now let us put a C. Let's find the T of 7. Do you have a calculator? You can type for me negative 2,
Determine the
multiply by
general
11,
term
and then the plus
of the
12. What do you
sequence.
get? Plus 12. Then we are because after negative 41, you got negative 42. So it means we are correct.
Mhm. The difference is minus 2.
So actually, to answer the question, it means that our of 27 is the first one to be less than negative 41 because it gives negative 42. Are we together? Okay, so now, according to what I welcome back once again in our section. This is question 3.2. Go.
Then
It says what? The multiples?
a plus, it's 2.
Of 3. Okay,
Negative 2.
Determine what? Okay, one more time, come again one more time, then multiples.
Negative 2 and positive 2.
Which means we have both even and odd numbers enough time, isn't it?
12.
So what we are gonna do here, because we have this one as even and even, let's get more terms and we see. So here, okay, the multiples of 3, 3 plus 3, 6, plus
Oh, we
3,
don't need to go
9,
further.
plus 3, get what here? 15, isn't it?
Oh,
Then plus 3, get what again? 18, isn't it? So, because we want only those which are even, we only need 3 to tell us what is happening here. So, I'm going to start from this 6 here, like this, up to 12, together. Then from the top to 18.
what,
So
3.1.3?
tell me what is 12 minus 6, what do you get? We get a 6. 12 minus 6
Yes, that's all.
is 6, ne? What about 18 minus 12? Also
Which term
6.
in the
Actually, I'm
sequence
skipping
is
the odd
the
ones.
first to be less than negative?
I had the one the
Wait,
even
what?
numbers, yes.
You
And in this case, okay, in this case, because it is even, I don't like the odd ones now. The question talks about even terms. Are we together?
see,
So for this matter,
yes.
I'm going to say that my Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 minus what? Times D. What is our first even terms?
See,
What about our common friends?
yes.
It's going to be 8 minus 1 here, and then it is also 6 here. So tell me, what is 6 times 8? 10 times negative 1, negative 6, indeed. Okay. What is 6 minus 6? I get 0, so my comes what? 6n, isn't it? Because I want the one which is
12 plus
for the
41
13th
is
number,
53.
it's going to be T13. So T13, you can just multiply for me, please. What 6 times 3? What do you get?
5
Thank you.
over
That's our answer.
5 over
That
2.
is it. Does it make sense to you?
Yeah,
Let's move on then.
53 divided by
Next
2
question
is
here,
5 over
3.3.
Oh, 26. 26,5.
So this is 1 equals to 1. What about here? 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Then what? 1 plus 1 plus 5
Yes.
equals to 9. Then what? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus
27.
7 equals to 6. What now? What are going to be the next multiplies? These numbers, right? Isn't it? What am I going to write now? Yes. So what? Yes.
Mhm.
That is good. So multiplying is going to be 1, okay, plus what? Plus 3, plus a 5, 7,
Mm-hmm.
then plus a 9. And then what's my next square number? 25. There we go. Then the next line again starts with 1
Negative
plus
42.
3, okay, and then plus a 5, and then plus a 7, then plus a 9, then plus 11. You get 30 what? 36. You are done. That's the answer for this one here. We're done. Are we together? Next, what? Write down what? Now here, I want you to pay attention. This first answer is 1, right? So, and this first answer,
Okay.
how did we get it? We only considered only one ordinate, isn't it?
Yes.
Next answer is 4. How did we get it? By adding the numbers, isn't it? So, the upper two odd numbers, so you can see here this one is 2 squared. Here this is 1 squared. How many odd numbers are here on the next line? There are 3, isn't it? So what is our 9?
It says the
This
multiples
square.
of
How many odd numbers are here now on the next line?
form the number pattern 3,
What
6,
is?
and
Thank you. What about here? So what now?
determine
5 what?
determine the 13th
5 squared.
number
What about here?
in this
6 what?
pattern that is even.
So now I have the answer. So the formula for the first odd number is going to be that you just count the
The
odd
multiples
numbers,
of
okay,
3
and then
form
you
the
square
number
them. Then you
pattern 3, 6, 9, 12. Determine the 13th number in this pattern
done.
that is even.
Next, thank you.
Yes.
Read the question. Yeah, very clever. We know. We won't struggle. Bring up the sum of 20, so mean that the sum of the 20 odd
Yes.
numbers, will be our T23, given by 23 what?
Yes.
23 squared. But because of this way the sum, means that I'm gonna call it S here because sum we use S for sum. Yes. Actually, even here, I should have read sum.
What's
The
the
sum of
what?
the first odd numbers. You just square the n. So calculator, what do you get when squared? Now you get what? Okay. That's our answer then. That is it.
Oh, you're skipping the odd ones.
Okay. Are we together, my friend? next here on the queue. Now, this is one of the questions you asked. If you asked me, now as we do this, it's gonna answer all your questions. Okay, please can you answer Nuha?
Yes. Noah must pay a 10% deposit of the purchase price. Simple interest is charged at 13% per annum balance. 6. The balance must be paid in equal monthly installments and the account should be settled within 36 months.
Calculate what now?
6N. Calculate the balance after now. Yes.
Has it, so which means we need to calculate our deposit, which is 10%. Okay. So
Yes.
here with that 10%, our deposit is going to be 10 out of 100 multiplied by the cash price. Okay, that is 21. Okay.
78.
999. Okay. Calculator.
Okay.
That is 2.
Yes.
219. Okay. Then you comma what? Comma 9. After paying this deposit, let's get the balance now. So our balance is going to be the money here. That is 21.
It says write down 2 more lines of the number pattern given above.
2199, What do you get? What do you get here? 197, 1. Are we together so far? Next question says,
well, for that.
Good. Now this money does not belong to Noah. So he must pay interest.
9 and 16.
And the higher purchase, the interest is simple.
Those are
it is simple
interest
numbers,
because
which means this money must grow within the next 3 years when he's paying it back. So for that matter, before you get the monthly installment, we must fill the amount that's supposed to pay in total. So our amount A is given by the loan growing, okay? By the loan growing, by the simple interest. Okay, so we say one here. Okay? In other words, the amount to be paid is going to be, now this is the loan here, né? This is right, 197, okay? Yes, then you're going to divide by the 36 to see how much will be paid monthly. This is the amount to be paid in total, né? Then later we divide to see how much this person is going to pay. Okay, so this money is going to be 19. Okay.
Yes.
In here, and then 7 what? 799.
Write down a formula for the sum of the first
here,
n odd numbers.
Plus, they get 13%. Next it's gonna be 13 over 100 times how many years?
Yes.
Times 3 years. What did here now? What?
Yes.
What do you get here?
Yes.
Come again? No answer. How about no. Let me get my calculator here. I don't think so. Okay. You did not talk the first digits. 25 what? 738.
3 squared.
Comma. Okay, so now this is the amount to be paid in total, né? But the good news is it's going to be paid in 3 years. To get the monthly payment, now divide this
12
money
squared.
by the 3 years. That is 5, okay?
6 squared.
25738, comma 3, okay? Divide the 3 years. What do you get now? 714, eh?
Yeah.
Comma what? 197, okay? Okay, I think now you see why people enjoy taking things on higher purchase, because they say only 700. Let me take this TV. It's a very big, big,
Mm-hmm.
big TV, and they pop
It
out 7
says,
every month and 700.
what
So
is
are
the
we together
sum of
now?
the first 23 odd numbers?
Do you understand now the question? Thank you. Can I proceed?
Mm-hmm.
I'm proceeding now. Let us go to Europe. Let's go to Europe too. It's okay. Hmm.
How much must you invest now at 8.5% per annum for the and then
This one first. This one first. So here, we want to know how much must be invested, which means we want to get this money after the 4 year end.
529.
And because of this way, the compounded annual, then you must use the compound
Yes.
interest formula. So it says that the amount, okay, is equal to the principal, also the
Yes.
money invested, 1 plus I, okay, to the power of the number of years, okay. So we want to get this money, which is 105, okay, 105 zeros, okay, in the 4 years time. So how much must be invested? That's now the P. Then this 1 plus I,
Noah
the I is 8, comma
wants
what?
to buy a 75-inch
8,5%, okay.
HD plasma
Right
TV,
together.
which costs
Power how many years?
21,999
Power, they said the 4 years. Because
by
it's
means
composed annually.
of
Okay.
a hire
So
purchase
from this point
agreement.
here, our
The
P that we're looking
conditions
for,
of the hire
we're
purchase
gonna divide
agreement are as
the money
follows. Noah must pay a
10500, okay.
10%
Divide by
deposit
brackets here.
of the purchase
That is
price.
1
Simple
plus
interest is
8,5,
charged at 13% per
8,5
annum
here,
on the
out
balance.
of
The
100.
balance must be paid
Power
in
4
equal
years.
monthly
How much is
installments
it gonna
and the
be?
account should be settled in 36 months.
Yes, yes, please. Don't forget power, ne?
Calculate the balance after Noah. Yes. So
7 what?
it's 2%.
7. Mm. Uh-huh. Okay. 1 3. That is it. That is it. Now, let me ask you a question here, ne? Why do you think it's better to invest this money other than keeping money by yourself at home until the 4 years end? Maybe keeping it in a pot or anywhere underground under your bed. Why is it not better than this option?
2,199.
What do you think? Hmm.
Comma 9.
Besides that,
Comma 9.
and besides that, your money under the bed will not give you interest. Hello. It will be the same money. You are sleeping over and over again. So you'll never get the 100,005, this big money. Yeah. So that is it. So are we to the anyway? Next question. What do you think? What?
19799, comma 1. Yes. Yes.
Now If they say will
Calculate
your
the monthly
investment be what,
installments.
they mean this money which you have invested, this one. Okay. And so, for that matter, because the euro is stronger than the rand, the money which we have now is going to be divided. So therefore, to get how many euros, okay, to get how many euros we are going to, okay, it's going to be this money which we have now, that is the 7 what? 757, okay, and then 65 here, comma 13 divided by the, oh, comma 30 divided by 8, divided by what? By the unit which is 21, comma 50. What do you get?
We're calculating the loan.
Say it again, 3 what?
Okay.
Comma 9 euros, okay. That is it. That is it.
Comma 1.
No, no. Okay, we don't, because it was just to tell us the exchange rate at that. Remember, our investment was for the 4 years. That's why already we used it. Otherwise, if we use it, we're gonna fail ourselves. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Are we together now? Thank you.
You get you 3,9.
We are almost. I'm reading this question here. What does
3,9. Yes. It's 25738,83. 25738, 83.
no problem? So here we go. Then the square paper here, which we're gonna use. Now before, yes, you have a question, or can I proceed? Yes, please.
An X, right?
Yes. Yes, please. Hyperbola. It's exponential. Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Let us get our
We
anyway.
get
Now our intercept, see, for
714,9.
this function, when our y equals
Yes.
to, let's get the x-intercept, at x-intercept, we know y
9675.
is 0, isn't it? So that is 0
Okay.
is equal to over x, okay, and then plus what? Plus 2. So they become a negative this 8, okay. So if it was multiply, our x equals to 8 divided by negative 2, but
Yes.
x has negative 4. So in other words, it's going to pass like 4,
Yes.
are we? Then this of x,
Yes.
we have got an asymptote here
Okay.
at negative 1. That's our point to know that asymptote is what? Negative 1 altogether. And then when x equals to 0,
You want to
okay,
go to Europe
when
in
x is
4 years'
0, we're
time
going to have our
and
y
estimate that
as
you will
what?
need
As 2 to the power 0 minus what? Minus 1. It
105,000
gives
to
us
cover
what?
your costs. 4.2.1
Yes.
says, how
I'm
much
saying
must
when
you
x,
invest now
yes. So
at
what's going to be the final answer here? It's
8.5%
going to be
per
what?
annum compounded annually so that you can afford the
It's going to be
trip?
right together. So
And
it means
then
it's passing through what?
4.2.2 is,
0.
oh,
So from here,
really?
then, yeah, we can just have only just one more point. We can say when x equals to 1,
Okay.
when x equals to 1, our y is what? What's 2 power 1 minus 1? What do you get?
Yes.
You get 1, isn't it? So it is passing through is to 1. Are together? Okay. Now let me get the square papers here. Now this one is for us to confirm the function. Just only one extra point. Just one extra point. So here we go. Now we are gonna have total points which we have here. We have negative 4 is to 0. Also have what? Also have 1 is to 1 and 0 is to 0, ne? All together. That is it. And this one being a positive here, how it's going to be a positive orientation for the parabola, because our A is positive, ne? The 8 is positive, so it's going to be in the first and the third quadrant. So here, and I get my axis like this. Okay. So x-axis, ne? And then here comes the y-axis. Okay, axis here. So axis is this one here. Now when you're plotting something with an asymptote,
divided by this
always
amount.
indicate that. Did you hear that? Always indicate what? The asymptote first.
Yes.
So in this particular case, we have y equals negative 1 of the asymptote. Do you remember that? Now an asymptote, it is a straight line where the function turns but does not touch it. Okay. So if this is 0,
765
negative 1 here, and this is negative 2, okay, it's passing through the negative 1, it's going to be shown here, dot here.
Yes.
So the asymptote is where the function is turning towards but does not touch it. So if you have got a friend who is an asymptote, that friend will never touch you, Asymptote means will not touch, okay? But then, but it gets very close. Now the asymptote here. So now, my points, I have 0 is to 0. Let me start with the parabola.
I think it's better to have this option because you might feel tempted to spend the money.
Exponential is fine here. This is exponential, we said it's gonna pass through 0 is to 0.
It might get lost
And also
wherever
pass
it
here.
is.
Remember that,
Or you might
so
forget
if
where
you
you
look at our
put it.
exponential, this is 2x minus c. It's 1. I don't know if you remember it. Do you remember? When is our exponential? This one here, right? This one here. And then, because positive 2 here, it is always increasing like
There will be
this.
no interest earned.
Okay. And then, this is asymptote here. So, what? Here, 0 is to 0. How to get those thing here? 1 is to 1. You see where I got the other point now, I can be sure. So now when I come like this now, then now I pass through 0 is to 0 like this, you see? Then part 1 is to 1.
If the exchange rate in 4 years' time is expected to be
that's my exponential.
21 rand 50 cents to the euro,
are we together?
how many
As
euros
you can see,
will your
it is
investment
coming near the
worth?
asymptote, does not touch it. Are we together? But don't touch it. This is called y equals negative the asymptote. The hyperbola. It was called what? Let's check it again. Hyperbola. They said it is 8 over x plus 2. Now, even here, this plus 2, by the way, also shows that the asymptote, which is y equals to positive 2. You see this plus 2, ne? We forgot to indicate, but I think you can see it now, ne? Y equals to positive 2. The asymptote for the what? For the function. Forget here we have 0, then this is 1 here. This is 2 here. Now, at our 2, we are having the horizontal asymptote, ne? Now, like I said before, an asymptote is in where the function tends to but does not. So, just for the sake of making it different, let's make it this. So this is our asymptote here, which is a black one, but it's passing through what? It is passing through 2.
Yes.
It is passing through. Okay. It is passing. Yes, please. Yes. It is for the y value. Okay. The y value, or you can take q. All together. You can call it q. So that here, we call it y equals to 2. This for our hyperbola here. Remember we had our point which we plotted, we see negative 4 is to 0. Remember this one, this intercept here. So our negative
3,523,97.
after this, what? This one is our 0, ne? This is 0. Then here we got negative 1, ne? Negative 2, negative 3, and negative 4. Are we together? So negative 1 here.
We don't do anything with the 4 years.
And negative 4. It's passing here. This point here. Together. Now, because it is a positive orientation, it's going to be passing through the. It's going to be having also this side here like this now. Okay, let me make it a little bit smaller for you to see properly here. Here, it's going to be like this now. This one doesn't want to move. I don't know why. Why don't work here? Yeah. Okay, so now this asymptote here, like I said, that we are having a positive orientation. We're having what? Positive orientation.
Given
we're having what?
f and x
a positive
equals
orientation, meaning it's
8
going to be found
over
in first
x plus
quadrant
2
and the what?
and x
And the third
equals
quadrant.
2
Okay,
to
so
the power of
now
x
you
minus
see this
1.
y-axis, ne? I want to make it a little bit
5.1.1
longer,
says,
but you can see it properly
sketch the
here.
2 graphs above
Like
on
this. Okay.
separate
I want to
sets
make
of
it
x-axes.
longer.
Clearly indicate all
Don't accept
necessary
here.
information as well as the intercepts with the x's.
So when I come to draw my thing here, I'll say here, even here I'm going to make it a little bit longer. A little bit longer here. I don't know why it's not helping me. Okay, so you see this asymptote, ne? It's supposed to
So
this way, ne? Like it's just I don't know why it's not accepting, but it's supposed to come like so that when I'm doing now my
f and x,
hyperbola,
right?
would come like this.
That's
like
a hyperbola.
This. Okay. Can I use a different? Let me use a different color here, ne?
And then
Let me
g
use the
and
green
x
color
is
here.
an exponential
Use the
graph.
green color properly. Now this one which you see in green is our hyperbola. It comes like this, and then this side here, but passing through negative 4 is to 0, like this. Okay, do you see it? Now, if I be precise, this side I can get any point beyond the bigger than 0, and I see where it's going to be passing, ne? But it will be like this. That is it. Like this, don't forget. That was our yeah. That is it. So one of them is our g of x. The other is what? F of x. So the hyperbola f of x. Okay, this is our f of x here. And then the exponential g of x, my friend. You can take a screenshot now. Are you done? Can we proceed now? We can. Okay, so what does the question say here now? What is the what? What's the domain? Yes, now tell me, what does the domain mean to you? It means what? You don't know, ne? Me, I know you know. Just that you don't know how to say it. The moment we talk about the word domain, mean the x values for which the function is defined. I repeat, we mean what? X values for which the function is defined. Ne? Can you say it again, please? Domain means what? Now, in this case, we're talking about the function of f. Let us look at the function of f here. We can see that if I touch somewhere here, just I didn't draw it very well, ne? Can I draw it one more time and you see properly? Just this one which is green, ne? This green one here. Like this. Check this out.
1 to 1 is
I'm
it not
supposed to do it like this. You see
0
this?
to
No, this
0?
one
Is this for something
we
else?
got the negative what? Oh, it was just the intercept here. The symptom this one here. It comes like this. Check. You see here, ne? Like this. Then it comes down. You see it now, ne? Way it comes near the asymptote again like this and like that. Yeah, then it's now better. So now I'm talking about the domain. Ne? Now the domain is gotten on the axis, ne? The x values. Ne? As you can see, if I'm here at 1, I can find my function up here, right? It is, ne? If I'm at 2, I can find it up here, ne? Isn't it? If I'm at -1, I can find it down here. Are we together? What about -2? I'll find it down here. Are we together? So you can say the moment I go to the right, I find it upwards. The moment I go to the left of y-axis, I find it down. Are we together? Now my domain is going to be all the x values together, all the x values in the real numbers except 0. Except what? Except 0. You want to know why? Because the moment I touch on 0 here, ne? You see, here I'm touching on 0. Let me use a different thing here. The moment at 0, ne? This line here, which is let me give it a purple. This line, this one here, you see this line I'm drawing now. Ne? The moment like that, I go up, whether I find it, whether down, I will not find the function, so x equals to 0. Whatever you see, I'm touching it. Ne? You see I'm touching the function here. Ne?
Yes.
When you go to the left y-axis. Ne? But if I'm only on the y-axis, where x is 0, I will never find the function, which means that is the only x value don't have this function. And in that case, at that point, the function does not dominate anywhere there along the x equals to 0. That's why this is our... Yes, please. Are we together? I hope you don't forget this. By the I think before I continue, if they wanted the range, are together? If they said they want the range of the now the range, we mean the y values for which the function is defined. The domain was x values, ne? My range means what? Y values. Now for this matter, now I use a line like this. Check this out. I use it horizontally. This one here now. This one. You see my purple line again, this one here, ne? This one, purple line of mine. You see? Now this purple line here is gonna help me to find the what? To find, you see I'm here on the asymptote, ne? You see I'm on, ne? Isn't it? Which was positive 2, ne? When I go to the left, do I find function? I don't find it because I'm on the asymptote. When I don't find it, ne? Move up like this. You see that I'm crossing now the curve, ne? You see I'm crossing it, ne? Means any above 2, I'll be finding the function, isn't it? Together with the any y value is less than 2. You see I'm crossing it, ne? Crossing it. Now that gives me the range. So my range is going to be all the y values in the real numbers except 2. Here be my range is going to be y values, okay? Yes, for all the real numbers. For all the real numbers except what? Except the 2. Except the 2. If we say except, we mean y is not equal to 2. Mean what? Y is not equal to our range. Yes. Now our range. If we talk about in all the numbers on the number line, I mean what? All the numbers on the line. Yes. This is our range here. Are we together? So what I'm trying to say that please don't claim the range and don't claim the domain. Use your head and your brain and you see where is it not defined and where is it defined. That's it. Yes. Because I know some learners, they're looking for the way of claiming something. Like, how can I claim this one? Please don't claim, ne? Don't claim. Okay, so let's continue here. They say what? This one here. Determine what?
Determine the equation of the axis of symmetry of f with positive gradient.
Thank you so much. Now here, I'm gonna do like this to explain to you my data. What we do here now, let me let the function first, ne? You see the function is here. How was this, ne? It was like this. Our f of x is equal, okay, is equal to 8 divided by what? By x plus a 2. Are we together? Yes. Now, the axis of symmetry, we have got two of them. One is positive and the other is negative. And to make you understand this, let me put them here.
So the Q value
This
is
green
always the
thing here, green
asymptote,
curve, ne? If I draw it
or
accurately, ne,
the Y.
I would be in position to divide it into two equal parts. Now, how do I divide? By using the axis of symmetry. By using what? The axis of symmetry.
Yes.
Yes, I repeat, this curve, ne, the parabola, ne, if I'm gonna be accurate, ne, and I wanna divide it, ne, I must use the axis of symmetry. Okay. Now this one, which is purple here, if I want to make it down with the positive gradient, last time that is the positive, this is positive,
Yes.
ne? So now it's going to meet. They meet here, this point here. You see this point here, where it goes to 2, ne? They are simple. So this which you see here, we call axis of symmetry, got a positive gradient, then say it is the one with the positive gradient. Okay, and then all the time is given by y equals 1. Okay, open brackets here. Up here we have got x down here. This x here,
Yes.
then you say x, and then you close the bracket. Then you say plus the horizontal asymptote, plus 2. That's how we're done. That's our answer. It's the line which you call the one for the line of symmetry, the positive gradient. Yes, the positive gradient. However, if they want one with a negative gradient, for you also, and you see it properly. Now with the gradient, I will make a different color now. Let me make it red. Okay? Now this one here is now, you see we talked about negative. You see now negative gradient. Now you see it, right? Now, well, if I was very accurate in my drawing, you see these two curves, this green curve and this one here, I was gonna do them equally. In other words, this red line would be called an
Opposite
axis of symmetry. And
orientation.
because it is decreasing negative gradient, we call it the one with negative gradient. We call it the axis of symmetry with a negative what? Gradient. So this matter, its equation, don't forget this please. Its is gonna be again you see y, okay? You put negative 1. Because they said negative 1, then put the x again, then put the x again, and then plus q. Our q is the plus 2 here, this 2, you say plus z. That is it with a negative gradient. G with the negative gradient. Are we together? What about here gradient? Here with a negative gradient. The line of symmetry is a line which can divide the function into two equal portions. Which are similar. Which are what? Which are similar. Are we together now? Okay, let us finish here. That is saying, this one says what?
Yes.
Write down what? Okay, so now what we do here, to get our h of x, function f, they said that our it is, remember it is 8 over what? It was 8 over x, right? Over x plus a plus 2q. Now, to make x, we do what we see. Check here, they're saying negative. They're saying what? Negative. You see it's negative here, So what we do here, we negate it. We negate, like negative 8 over x, then plus 2. Are we together? Open negative 8, you see it, negative 8 over what? Over x now. Then now minus what? Minus 2. Are we together? But because they are saying plus 5, plus what? Plus 5. So what we also say plus what? Plus 5 here. The moment plus 5, now it becomes x. Becomes what? Our h of x. So what's 5 minus 2? What is 5 minus 2? So it's going to be given by negative 8 divided by x Then plus what? Plus a 3.
Yes.
So the question is asking for what? They say, write down the horizontal asymptote. Now, asymptote, don't change anything. You write
The
here,
question
you write
says,
here what you actually see. So in this particular case, what we see
what
here
is the domain
actually is our answer.
of f?
Is this positive 3? So it is called y equals positive 3. That's horizontal asymptote.
Oh,
Are we
I
together?
don't know.
The one decision for the horizontal asymptote. Okay. Yes, so it is
No.
positive 3. So it is what?
Oh,
Yes, positive 3. You know that in the next you didn't the 2 hours, ne? But I think we can stop here. I think we can stop. I think we can here, ne? So I'll meet you again on Tuesday.